Hey everybody, this is Mike from the Collector's Corner, TccBaseball, coming to you today with a new video. If you guys don't know where we're at, you're gonna know in a minute. In this ShopRite, there's a nice trading card machine. If you guys are a subscriber of mine, you already know what's in here. So we're about to go in and check out and see what there is. All right, let's go take a look, everybody. All right, so we're at the Allstar vending machine. Let's see what they have. So I'm gonna go through the cards a little bit. And you guys can see what they have. And then I'll make my selection. And we'll open it back at the house. They have some upper deck. Some football, basketball. There goes some fat packs. $19.90, 2019, and then we have 21 packs. Football, some Bowman, $10 a pack. Some fat packs from this year, Series 1. Some football, archives. Gonna try for that card, of course. And then you have your more comic cards and Pokemon on the bottom. Oh, we do have some figures down there. Alright, so I'm gonna see what I could get. And then we'll go back to the house and I'll show you guys what I picked up. Train is coming in, as you could hear. So let me cut this off and I'll get some stuff and meet you back at the place. Be right back. Okay everybody, so we're back at the house. Glad that you could join me this Throwback Thursday. I'm going to show you what we picked up. Picked up a nice pack, nice assortment of cards. So we'll start off with 2 packs of the 1990 traded. These are 75 cents each. Couldn't pass this up. My Barry Bonds card. 2 packs of the 1992 Upper Deck. We got 1 pack of assorted. 2 packs of the 88 tops. And 2 packs of the Donruss 87s. Alright, so these were 75 cents each, $1 each, $1 for the assorted, $1 each, $5, and 75 cents each. Alright, let's start with the traded. 1990 traded, 2 packs. Alright. I never opened up any. I don't think I did. Maybe. They do look familiar. Maybe I did open up a packet of traded. Alright, so that's the basic design. And of course you guys know that the team means traded. Bud Harrelson. Lloyd Mosby, UB Brooks, Dow Boston. Alright, I just mainly bought these for fun, just to see what was in them, and just to give them a try, you know. It wasn't bad. See what we could find in these packs. Of course, they have the little wax stain. Willie Randolph. Jim Presley. And that does it. So that was
trying to fill up these stands. These were the 1990 traded. Okay, let's get into these Donruss packs. These were 75 cents each. Let's take a look and see what we have. In case you guys don't know this design, it's the yellow backs. Pretty cool. Barry Larkin, Tony Armas, Mike Heath. I just wanted to see the assortment that I would get. And of course I did it for this Ken Griffey senior card. See if I could maybe put together a set of 87s. Go take a look in my archives and add these and start to see what I can make out of it. Alright, so that was 87s there. You know what? Matter of fact, let's put up our first card up there. Ken Griffey, senior. And let's put the Barry Larkin. There we go. Alright. This happy I got. $5. Looks very very good. The corners are crisp. Card looks well centered. So let's do the 88s with the bubble gum. Our nice chopped up bubble gum here. Alright, let's check these out. Let's see what we got. Let me know what you guys think down below. Leave a comment. Steinbach. Let me know what you think. Mike Stanley. Billy Bean. Fred Lynn. Nice card there. Wally Joyner. Mr. Fred Lynn. Okay, so that was one pack. Next pack, here we go. Just picked these up for fun. Wanted to see what we could find in it. Nice Wade Boggs. Ken Caminiti. Paul Molitor. Dave Winfield, that's a good one. Let's put that over Fred Lynn. Alrighty, let's continue. Dave Martinez. A little nice little advertisement card. Larry Boa. Ruben Sierra. Does it. Okay, so now we're counting on our little nice mystery pack. Let's check these out. This was $1. See what we find in here. Michael Conforto. This is a 2020. Trying to focus. All right. Bowman's first. Bruce Ruffin. This is Upper Deck. Not expecting these cards in here. Some older tops. good for a change. Earl Hershiser. Any Turnbull. Matt Young, Mark Davis, Sensei, Tony Walker, Brandon Belt. So we got the mix of new and old. All right, not a bad shot for $1. Got some old Topps cards in there. Let's try these 1992. I believe we opened a box of these on the channel. Let's see what we find in these packs. Last 2 packs. This foil's a little hard to open up. Tampa proof. So here we go with the 92 designs. I do like the 92 on the back. Nice. Wade Boggs, best hitter. Let's put that covering the Griffey. There we go. See what else we have in this pack. Mark Lemke. Oh, what is this? Okay, prospect. Kevin Bass. Hal Morris. We have cards every which way. Al Newman. Raphael. Jim Gatner. Couple left. Von Hayes and Mike Gardena. Alright, last pack. Here we go. Last pack for Throwback Thursday. I hope everybody enjoyed this. It was a while that I haven't gone to my neighborhood machine. Eduardo Perez, prospect. DJ Surhoff. So yeah, it's been a while that I didn't go to that All-Star machine. Glad I did. Dave Winfield. Jack Morris. Donnie Hill. Let me know what you guys think of the prices that they have at the machine. Here goes a Cecil Fielder, best power, and the last card, Bill Swift. All right, so there you have it. I'm glad that everybody tuned in. This is a giveaway video. Just gonna take down that other card. This is a giveaway video. This giveaway is going to be for a TCC Team Fan Pack. So remember, you need to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, plenty of time, just click that button down below. And then then just write in the comments, put me in for the fan pack. That's right, in for the fan pack. And I'll personally hand collate a team set for you. Between 50 and 60 cards. You could pick 1, 2, or 3 teams. Be different years. You have Hall of Famers. You'll have insert cards. You might get an auto. Might get a relic. You never know what's in a TCC Team Fan Pack. Like I said, just write down below. In for the fan pack. There you have it, everybody. This is Mike from the Collector's Corner saying thank you all for watching. Glad you liked this Throwback Thursday. Definitely give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope to see you tomorrow, Friday. Take care, everybody. Be safe and be well.